Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to break down cloud computing in the simplest way possible. We will explain what it is, why it matters, and how it is changing the way we use technology. So let's dive in. Before we talk about cloud computing, let's first understand the word computing. In simple terms, computing is when a computer does something useful, like making a complex calculation, playing a video, or storing data. Now, when we talk about computing services, there are two big ones you should know. Processing power. This is the computer's ability to perform operations using its CPU. It is what powers your apps, games, and calculations. The second one is storage. This is where data is saved like files, photos, videos, and softwares, typically on the hard drives or SSDs. So now we know computing means using a computer to process and store data. Before the cloud, both individuals and organizations had to buy and manage their own hardware. For personal use, you probably bought USB drives or external hard drives to save your family photos, videos, or important data. And for businesses, it meant buying expensive servers and storage devices, plus hiring additional IT teams to maintain them. They also had to manage electricity, cooling, and even backup generators to keep the system running smoothly. The bigger the business, the more equipment they needed. All of this was expensive, slow to scale, and difficult to manage. Then came the cloud, and it changed a lot of things. In this new scenario of cloud computing, imagine a huge data center with hundreds of servers and thousands of storage drives that can be rented by anyone as per their need from anywhere in the world using the internet. Now, instead of spending money on physical equipment, businesses can simply pay to use computing services over the internet from cloud providers. So, here comes our definition of cloud computing: delivery of computational services like processing and storage over the internet is called cloud computing. You are getting the computational services like processing and storage from the internet, from somewhere else over the internet. The concept is called cloud computing. Alright, here are some real life examples that you might have used already. Number 1, Google Drive and iCloud. These cloud services store your files, photos, and videos safely online. You can access them from anywhere. The second one is AWS or Microsoft Azure. Provide virtual computers called virtual machines that businesses use to run websites, applications, and more. Our third example would be Netflix, in which you don't need to carry DVDs to watch the movies. All movies and shows are stored in cloud. You just log in, stream, and enjoy. So next time someone says the cloud, you will know it's all about processing power and storage delivered over the internet. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech related videos, and drop a comment. How helpful this video was, please do let us and other users know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.